Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's short video tutorial, I am going to teach you how you can reverse your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a really simple effect that you will see in a lot of videos, so today I'll teach you how you can do it as well in your videos. First, drag and drop the video clip on your timeline, or if you have it already on your timeline, just select the video clip and right click on that clip. Then a pop-up menu will appear. Just look for the speed and duration and click on it. Then a pop-up window will appear. You can also press Ctrl R. It's a shortcut key for this speed and duration window. Now in this window you can see here an option of reverse speed. Just click on it to check mark this little icon and hit OK. Now you have reversed your video simply and easily. You can also play around with the time remapping and add some overlays on this video to make it more interesting. If you want to learn how you can do it, just comment down below and I will make the video for you. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more editing tips and tricks of Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy editing.